Welcome to my channel, Break the Snow.
Hi friends, do you know that the soda that you drink is highly acidic in nature? This simple test proves that the soda is acidic. Likewise, there are several things which are acidic in nature. Now the trending topic is alkaline water. What is this alkaline water and what are the alkaline foods? Substances are broadly three types: acidic, neutral and basic. The acidity of a substance is measured using the pH scale. If an item has pH value less than 7, then it is considered as acidic. If an item has pH value of 7, then it is neutral. The pure water has pH value of 7. Anything over 7 is considered as basic. The basic foods are also called as alkaline foods. Now you know the fundamentals of alkaline water. Due to the change in food habits, we are drinking lot of sodas, eating lot of junk food, fast foods, pizzas, burgers, red meat and so on. By doing this, we are ingesting lot of acidic food into our body. Blood has ideal pH value of 7.35 to 7.45, which means blood is slightly alkaline. Eating several acidic foods, fast foods and drinking sodas can increase the acidic levels of your blood. This can cause several issues like gastric problems, digestion issues, constipations, hair loss, skin disorders and lower immunity. So what is the solution? The easiest option is to cut down the fast foods, sodas, red meat and all acidic foods. But nobody likes this solution because we love eating this stuff all the time, right? So alternatively, we can take alkaline water. This alkaline water can be easily prepared at home and when consumed, reduces the bad effects of eating the acidic foods. The alkaline water improves your health, reduces the gastric issues, relieves from the constipation, protects from the free radical damage and improves longevity of the lifespan and enhances the immunity. However, before starting the alkaline water, discuss with your doctor if you have any medical conditions. Without waiting more time, let's see the 3 best ways to prepare the alkaline water. Number 1, and this is my favorite option, using lemons. You may ask this question, lemons are acidic, how can you use it to make alkaline water? Your question is correct, but lemons have special properties which makes the lemon water alkaline when body digests it. Just fill 1 pitcher or a bottle with fresh water. Cut a lemon into 8 slices. Add lemons to the water with the skin. Do not squeeze. Simply put it in the water. Add 1 spoon of Himalayan pink salt. This adds more minerals. Now leave it overnight or wait for 8 to 12 hours. That's all, your alkaline water is ready. This is the best and cheapest way to make the tasty alkaline water at home. Number 2, buy a water ionizer. Water ionizers are machines which induce ions into the water, thereby separating the water into the alkaline water and the acidic water. The overall output of this ionizer contains good amount of alkaline water, but these ionizers are pretty expensive, starting from $1,000 and more. Number 3, buy an ionizing filter. This is rather affordable option where you use a filter which looks like water filter, but it adds alkalizing ions into the water. This is more affordable and portable. These are the 3 best ways of making an alkaline water. There are other options like using the baking soda to make the alkaline water, but I don't like that option because baking soda can sometimes cause stomach upsets. If you know any other ways of making the alkaline water, comment below.
Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.